Family of a teen sharing their grief just days after he was struck and killed while riding his bike.
Now, the driver told police that a sneeze made him lose control of his car, but prosecutors are not buying it. Our Paul Bloom has the story from Scott County.
These investigative markings along 260th Street in rural Scott County document the July 4th holiday weekend tragedy that has shattered a local family. 15-year-old Braxton Sorensen, an aspiring pilot, dead. Killed Friday evening, 7:15, while bicycling his favorite dirt roads and backcountry hills less than a mile from his Cedar Lake Township home.
All of a sudden, his life gets taken away in a blink of an eye because somebody was negligent and drove and conducted themselves in a manner that's not acceptable.
This is the man authorities say was behind the wheel when he struck Sorensen and Joseph Freeges of Lakeville. According to court documents, it appears Freeges' vehicle was eastbound, got out of control, went into the ditch, then re-entered the roadway where the teen was on his bicycle. The 72-year-old reportedly told investigators he had his cruise control set to 55 miles an hour, and it was a sneeze that sent him into the ditch. Though first responders suspected he may be drunk, as they supposedly smelled alcohol and found a box of Smirnoff in the backseat of the vehicle. Freeges is charged with 2 counts of criminal vehicular homicide, including driving negligently while under the influence of alcohol. But a preliminary breath test showed him only at a .05, below the legal limit in Minnesota. But the county attorney told me to stay tuned. It is an issue that will be litigated in the courtroom.
We're still awaiting blood test results, so we don't have a final blood analysis on him yet. But just because someone is below .08 does not mean that they weren't necessarily impaired.
Freeges made his first court appearance Tuesday. His bail set at $10,000 with conditions that include no alcohol. As for the Sorensens, they said they weren't prepared to say anything on camera about their precious son, who they miss dearly, but wrote a statement to Fox 9 that read in part, quote, "Braxton was a wonderful kid with great plans for the future. When he wasn't spending time with his parents and younger siblings, his greatest joy was to be at church and worship and Bible study. As a member of the Civil Air Patrol, he looked forward to earning his pilot's license and enjoyed his time with his unit." Paul Bloom, Fox 9.